Okay, today we're going to be learning about the multi-tool. It's very useful for indeedly. And this, they're called pliers. You can use them for many things. But what I use them for is lead weights. And what you do is you take these, you take this, and then the pliers, and then you squish them together as hard as you can so they won't fall off your line when you fish. See, it's closed. And now we're gonna be doing this side. This is This is a woodly knife. You use it to cut wood. Use it on nothing else. And I mean nothing. And then this, it's probably a knife to cut open things? That's what I'm guessing. Sorry. And now this flattened screwdriver, and I think you can use it for your nails. And then we have this bottle opener. Not a bottle opener that you use, a beer bottle opener. And then this, a little flat side screwdriver. And then here's just a normal screwdriver. Sorry if you didn't see this. Little flat side screwdriver. I think that's what it's called. And then this is a multi-tool. And I mean very useful. But never use it on your sisters, and I mean never. That'd actually be mean to them. Very. And you wouldn't want that to happen to them. And then that's all of the multi-tool. Well, if you want to see a video again, leave down in the comments if it's going to be useful for you, or useful for fishing. Which one? Should it be a fishing thing or a working thing? Or both? Just leave down in the comments. And make sure to subscribe and like this video. Bye! Bye!